In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload high-quality videos to Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then go to Settings. Now, scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Media. Here's where you'll find the video quality settings. Tap on Video Quality, then select Optimized. This ensures your videos maintain the best quality based on your network connection. Now, go back to your Facebook homepage. Tap the status box at the top. Then select Photo or Video. Choose the video you want to upload from your camera roll and tap Next. Finally, tap Post in the bottom right corner. Your high-quality video is now live on Facebook. You can tap on it to verify the video quality looks sharp and clear. And that's it. By adjusting your Facebook video settings and using the Optimize Quality option, you can ensure all your videos upload in the highest quality possible. Thanks for watching ClickFix.